Okay. After I replace this spark plug number 1, the misfire is going now, and I replaced spark plug and ignition coil. I mean spark plug coil. This thing right here. And now it's on fine. And let me see. This my truck is 2004 Tundra. The engine still. Let me see. That's how many miles it has right there. And changed timing belt 2 times. Timing chain. I mean, good lord. Yeah, timing belt, same thing. I mean, I changed that too. So, yeah, man, I forget. And now the misfire is going. Yeah, and those 2 reader right here. This one's old, cheap. This one reads way better. It tells you what, if it's misfire instead of code, it tells you. Yeah, but keep 2 handy. Yeah, and the body's falling apart, and the window can't work, and the door latch. I have to get my hand up there. I mean, the body's falling apart, but the engine's still perfect. So it's all fixed. So hopefully you guys have a misfire. One is right there. So I got it fixed, and hopefully this thing helps you guys. It's not that hard. Just take your little time and fix it, and I take it off. And yeah, thanks guys.